it's Thursday. We've already free jumped Honey. We made like a little, I don't know, what was it?
Channel.
Little channel with jumps and ran her down them because otherwise she runs away. We're actually sat in the trailer right now.
With rugs on.
We're covered in horse rugs. Mine's covered in water because the trailer's leaking. And we're sat up against hay. It's actually really comfy. But it's like raining really bad outside, so we're just kind of waiting it out, and then
The horses, whatever.
the horses, well, yeah, Desi's in the stable, so she might be lame, but then she might just be a bit stiff from all the cold that we've had, so we don't really know what's up with her. So we're not doing anything with her today because the ground's bad as well. We're going to wait for it to stop raining, then we're going to ride Honey, who's outside with a rug on at the moment. And then, I just don't know about Prince. She can't get near him, can't do anything. I'm losing my voice. So, we'll just kind of like put the photos and videos up later, I guess.